Welcome everyone, in today's tutorial I'm gonna talk about the support class in Battlefield 6. Enjoy! At first let's open the loadouts, and in here we have 4 available options. If you are a Battlefield player, then you know exactly what I am talking about. If you're new in this game, then you should know there is 4 available classes that you can change in game and while playing a match, so don't worry about it. You don't have to make a choice right now which class you want to play. But I will talk in this video about the support, so let's get into the support. Every class have a signature for gadget, weapon and trait. Let's talk about the gadget. So gadget is in here. We have a supply bag, a deployable bag that supplies all nearby infantry with ammo for gadgets and weapons, and grenades help more efficiently even when under fire. So this is a very good option. We can change it here to alright, we don't have to change it. We carry only 2 gadgets and we don't have available gadgets. There are only 2 of them, so we have all of them in our equipment while playing a game. So we have gadget 1, which is defibrillator. We can revive someone just by using a left click in a very quick way. Or we can use the gadget for healing, etc. Oh, sorry, no, it's a cover. This is a shield that we place on the ground and we can use it as a cover. But the supply bag is under the X button, and this is your racial signature gadget. Now, for weapons we use the MGs and no sprint speed penalty, so we can sprint with this gun without any penalty. Very good option, of course. Now let's talk about the field specs. So we have a combat medic. Become a mobile medic unit to heal teammates and protect them with improved defensive gadgets, and this is true. We have levels, so we have revive recovery, we have on level 2 defense focus, improves stats for all defensive gadgets, which is very good. Or we can have another field spec. After pressing the 6 to act as a mobile supply bag for 10 seconds, this is the ratio, so we do not want to change it, just we have a supply bag and combat medic. In primary weapon we have 4 available ones. The LMG, sorry, I missed that. The LMGs, of course, you can choose whatever you want. I think this one, L110 is the best one. The mag is pretty good, of course, so you can customize it and change the magazine for a better one with more capability. You can customize your gun in a few ways. What you have to do is play this game and earn points to level up your class. Then you will get some add-ons for this gun and other guns. You have to just play this gun and play your class to get more available additionals. For pistol we have only 1 available. I was talking about this gadget, so I missed that. And we don't have flash, so we can choose only from frag grenade and smoke. As a melee weapon we have a knife. The look of the support in NATO faction looks like this. In Pax Armata look like this. I think this is badass. Looks amazing. And that was it for this video. Leave a like, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Goodbye!